everyone! Today we are talking about the blog. You will know how to make it work for you with the help of partnership. Stay with us and the most attentive viewers will get the special bonus. Let's go! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click the bell not to miss news, like this video and write comments, I'll be happy to chat with you. Once you start thinking, how can I earn more? Everyone who creates or manages the content does. It's easy with the help of affiliate marketing. But first, let's refresh your memory with this term. Bring pens and write down. Affiliate marketing is a method of brand promotion on the web. Partner has a referral link. If his audience does it to get actions, he will get a commission. The advertiser gets traffic, leads, and sales, and you, as an affiliate, get a material reward. There are many ways to promote goods of the affiliate program on the blog. It can be a banner, review, or instruction in the form of the article. The more people see it, the more chances you have to get paid. But how to get more readers? The answer is simple, with the help of mass mailing. Gossips say that this channel died. Don't believe them! Vice versa, today email remains on top among other lead generation channels. Imagine, you've published the article on how to choose a program for email marketing. Then you add an affiliate link. The next step is to inform about the article as many people as possible through mass mailing. To send emails to current subscribers is a good idea. But what about searching for clients among the cold audience? Form the portrait of your target audience, and now it's just a small deal to be done. Collect email addresses. There are 3 ways of doing that. Find the contacts manually. Collect emails with the help of a special program, by mailing list. The last one is the worst. Usually such a list consists of invalid email addresses. That's why your mailing gets a high bounce rate and you will be blocked. Searching for contacts manually could be painfully long, but the most effective. It can take days and hours to surf a great number of websites looking for the target audience emails. I recommended choosing the beta variant and use Atomic Email Hunter. The tool collects email addresses automatically. The program proves itself well on the network and has many positive reviews. Having used the Atomic Email Hunter, you can get a high-quality mailing base in about 10 minutes. After collecting the email addresses, move further. Create an email newsletter. The quality of its content influences whether it will be read or not and the income level you'll get. Remember, one bad word and all emails will face the spam folder. Catch advice on how to create an email newsletter. Avoid words such as best price, best offer, WLs, and all words of adult content. It's also a bad idea to write all text by capital letters, use many exclamation marks, and font text in different colors. To start a mass mailing campaign fast and qualitative, I use Atomic Mail Sender. The program sends an unlimited number of emails and works with free SMTP service. You paid $190 for 2 programs once and earn more than $3,500 per month all the time. Remember, you can send emails every single day and increase your income. Where I print these figures, I reveal it. Let's imagine your audience includes 10,000 subscribers. Practice shows if 2,500 people open a newsletter, only 500 follow the link and 50 make a purchase. As a result, you will earn $3,500. the bigger your audience is, the more money you'll get. So don't forget, improving yourself and you can get more money. Following these simple rules, you can expand your contact base, warm it and get traffic, sales and profit. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Hey, where is my bonus?
You are so attentive. Take your bonus. You'll get 20% discount on each Atomic program. The promo code is under the video. There you'll also find links on our best programs and partnership website. We are happy to meet new friends. Join and earn with us. Don't forget, like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you later. Goodbye.